so young pay free. Why say I'm born? Ghana yaba lawyer was over for one friend. Six years old us there. What are some no? Yapari yagu some day. Deben and there and China. Yanyi kitchen. Yanyi legend. One day and there and China.
So because I'm not saying I'm a TV, I'm a market women be on say Takoradi so they were very angry. Very angry, sir. I want you to say that a more than you know that kind of I say cordiality necessary a shift to call NDC side.
Yeah.
Until they say MPP strategize.
Yeah.
Now me kind before 2024 elections and say she say Ghana elections and no campaign assessment a change cry outright. And yes, our platform no so jina na ukujina ho na why did no nya no nko abiom. They say no I say ye no evidence based. Na evidence based no Ghana for you no person hu niama. Yempe mobile vans a cinema mobile van cinema ni bi no. Na monko place to place makola marketer na mudi akosi ho. Na mudi niam na guso. Ni amahama kan ye in 2022 ni o ka sesei ye hu bebre ho no mo amahama twantro ye hu bebre ho no mo kuje to twantro ye hu bebre ho no ma to force twantro sa videos no ni nyina wo ho wo di group screen no so na wa bo wie na wa bo we so aka ho obi gina ho na o kirekire mu e be tonkrofo aso na se ye betena ho se ye be call radio stations no mo akọ argue ho no ma se say the radio stations no masa MPP ni chance ho sisia tino as MPP strategize no mo start say mobile van you know no mo call place to place village to village o mo call marketplaces o mo call no mo fa nko kire ni so mo ye na so mo ye na fe so bloggers no say o spend this kakakra no mo pay more bloggers gum especially in Ashanti region, in Eastern region, in Central region, and a Greater Accra region. Some people to make quote details, powers, our regions will no more. 2028 don't be winning elections and easily. The moment they should spend Dr. Baumia and some humanity. Maybe so no be winning. No two ways about that. But some humanity not only the team will almost start normal planning, normal strategize ye. Omo peska no omo pe more bloggers ngum no omo nye bi ngum ma MPP for because media no the same NDC for no omo fa ho nyina omo de omo ye okay wo omo ya ma even though no ye be rebata omo ne ade no say ye pe more bloggers ngum because o ka so kwa ko bie radio station and TV station na Sam George on pene ma o mbie ma yeah you know I think I'm
just taking notes because next week I'm having a follow-up meeting with our incoming first lady. So we see finance bloggers, right? Or Ashanti region, Ashanti
more bloggers in
Ashanti region,
Eastern region, Central region,
and a Greater
Accra region. Some regions we don't concentrate on more because our regions where regions are, Omakuma MPP who more. Central region drifted away a little bit because of Niaman Kakra Krebi. I said, kind of saying, interchange be on more, Yentmianya, more money a day, and one or two things be on a moment drifted to end this Kakra. But some people before your homework years, it's your home. So because I'm not saying I'm a TV, I'm a market women be on say Takoradi so they were very angry, very angry. Sir, I want you to say that a more than you know musunu krana na before no a sense this the right time I say MPP for to capitalize on that. The kwa catch Dr. Baumia pesika no more bloggers in good regions we know.
Yo, me that
Now
say.
mobile van cinema no so very
Boys,
Mo
they
baba
me
so
brother
much.
can. They me brother can. Guy with a big scout.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
fact, o share omo planner, omo pe omo ye na. Akwa te say omo pese omo ka media ni nyina no. Den. Atum. Na thanks be to God, it says, CCR no more than 10 na ye kono. Sesa. Me say bedru ba bi no kura no. Me say voice.
Yeah.
What do we see ka kwese radio station mu kwesi dan na odi si wa oboboka like like in Yama sesa like things are changing. Okay? You don't necessarily need a house or something to open an online FM or TV station whatever.
Yeah.
Now, Facebook and social media, other social media, make me catch us. Now, TikTok is even selling than even a normal radio station, Peace FM,
Yeah.
How many people wake up in the I don't even remember the last time. The only channel, maybe an apartment, sorry, I'm matching because on them say only in 4 hours in tea.
Yeah.
Ebia, my sorry, baby, a bed 4 or 5. Now, she won't to me TV. Both Kumase. Me mo phones too me the Kumasi na because of that movement. Inti me hwe two ni nyina. That's the only channel me hwe. Apart from that, say me kwati sika koto TV ababo down say me de hwe TV. Because what is so sweet is say obeso na wetie ebi ni say ye. What I say ebi this thing sells even than say obakoto airtime or radio station.
Yeah.
Na say what they propagate and how they do how long can the media continue to defend you as Mahama? Into Mrs. Taka say me say a bedroom baby no ye ho phone wa ye ho phone. Now voice share
Yeah.
the way nkofu receiving na akufo ado 2017 any 2020 ado show boy did that and so see how it turned out to become in 2024. Enti ebeko sisen. Okatechie ne abronye alone kura you people cannot handle. To the extent that me ada ma mi hu say they are really spending our taxpayers money unnecessary was the fact that me hu said that me boy we bongo said then start to say e defend it aban no. And then we say, no, these people don't have any priority. So in that regard, you know, say, and in the necessary for air cost striker, or in the name of or more RSA, so you are not paying it, and they are going. You get a media people like Captain Smart and Johnny, you know, say mobile being sorted, and necessary for. They go in a whole lot. I mean, we work with nurses. We know what they go through. It, you know, I mean, there's misplaced priority. I say, Sika, I say, what the question baby, you know, what fashion. Them came right are buying there. I mean, minim said the earlier the better, no. MPP, Senate, no. Is good. Say, you're paying for a quarter form. And then 31st, and your bomb pay, so I'm a shitty. Na yento ya aba na yi ye panyin tentem na yen start say ye kuro a ebebre na ade nyina ye be mia makuru ni nyina ebedu 2028 na che say all the scars ni nyina echo nti no
Yo.
MPP we have a greater chance and I think say na me adoma on 7th January 2029 His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will become a president of Ghana.
Yo, me da say gaskia. Nana Kojo, good evening. Pacho amute wo ho. Nana Kojo wo ho.
The voice where the song
Yes.
me da say nyame nshraw.
Amen.
Ne adwuma pa wo ye. I am metahwe bi wa na me background na me hwe wo.
Wow.
We are the papa nyame nshraw. Na
Me da say.
ubisa questions say MPP yenye den. Because Mahama said nneema no ye no kire say wato media no.
Yeah.
Wato media no na wo share UTV United Show